Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, here's an explanation of chapter number 2 of English literature, that is Ellie the Sleepy Elephant. So, this is a story about an elephant who is too lazy. She is a baby elephant and she likes to sleep a lot. So, let's read this chapter and know what's there in this chapter. Ellie, the elephant, liked sleeping. She woke up late. She slept in school. She came back home and slept some more. Ellie liked to sleep a lot. She woke up late in the morning. When she goes to school, she sleeps there. See, she's sleeping. And when she comes back home, she sleeps then also. She sleeps all the time. One morning, Ellie's mother needed some help. She asked Ellie to get some bananas. Ellie's uncle was coming to their house for dinner. One morning, Ellie was sleeping and her mother wanted some help. So she asked Ellie, get up, go and get some bananas for your uncle as he is coming for dinner tonight. Ellie was not happy. She had to wake up early. She went to the forest to get bananas. In the forest, she decided to sleep some more. She put her head against a tree and went to sleep. When she had to woke up early, she was not at all happy. Then she went to the forest to get some bananas. And in the forest, she decided to sleep some more. Then she put her head against a tree. Against a tree means with a tree, and she slept there. But she heard a loud noise. She felt something fall on her head. The sky is falling. The monkeys were shouting. She got up and ran. She ran all the way to her house. When she was sleeping by putting her head against a tree, she heard a loud noise. That was third, that something was falling on her. Then the monkeys started shouting that the sky is falling, the sky is falling. Ellie got scared and she got up and ran towards her house. She went straight to her mother. She said to her, "Mother, the sky is falling." "How do you know that, Ellie?" her mother asked. Then, when she went to her house, she went straight to her mother and said, "Mother, the sky is falling." Then her mother asked, "How do you know that, Ellie?" "I know. A piece of sky fell on my head," she said. "Let's go and see it then," her mother said. Ellie said, "I know, mother, because a piece of sky fell on my head." Her mother said, "Okay, let's go and see then if the sky is really falling or not." Ellie took her mother to the tree. Some monkeys were eating the bananas that Ellie had brought. When Ellie and her mother went to the tree, they saw that there were some monkeys. Those were eating the bananas that Ellie brought. Well, Ellie, the piece of sky was nothing but a bunch of bananas, her mother said. She was laughing now. Ellie's mother said to Ellie that, "Well, Ellie, that was not a piece of sky, but it was a bunch of bananas that monkeys were throwing on her." And she started laughing. Ellie felt very silly. Ellie was feeling so silly that she's so stupid. Monkeys made fun of Ellie and they made him fool. "Ellie, if you sleep all the time, you will not learn anything. You will also not know when someone is making a fool of you," her mother said. Her mother said to Ellie that, "Ellie, if you will sleep all the time, then you will not learn anything. You will also not know when someone will make a fool of you." So, the moral of the story is that we should not be too lazy and we should be aware so that someone cannot make a fool of us like the monkeys made fool of Ellie. Thank you.